Hi everyone, I would like to talk about how to handle error in OpenFOAM. As a newbie, you may encounter lots of error, and here I would to mention some of them and to tell you what's this error about and how you can solve them. First kind of error is a command error. You should remember that all the comments are case sensitive. Means here CD is correct, but CD or is wrong. So just the first one is correct, and if you encounter the wrong set of command, so you get the command not found. So type the command correctly. The other error is about the pass error. Means you run the command in the incorrect path. For example, I'm going to a tutorial and I want to run my tutorial. I go, for example, go to tutorials, incompressible, OpenFOAM, cavity, and here I click, for example, I write one of the OpenFOAM commands like black mesh. I get an error. The error says I cannot find the control dict. So why? Because I'm not in the top level of the test case. I'm in a wrong directory. I should go to the cavity here where I can see zero, constant, and system. It is where I run the OpenFOAM commands. Here I can write black mesh and run it without a problem. I cannot even write it, for example, in zero folder. If I run it in a zero folder, again I get an error. So remember, always run in a correct path. Another one is the syntax error. Usually after a while you want to modify your test case. You change your test case and you may forget to edit it properly, so you get an error. Let's check it together. For example, here in the cavity case. First, let me run it. You can create the grid with block mesh, run the solver with OpenFOAM, and watch the result is powerful. Okay, that's it. Now, for example, you want to change the boundary conditions and you forget to write the semicolon. You should remember it is a C file and every lines end with the semicolon. So if you run the case, it gives an error. Don't panic, everything is written in the error line. You just need to read it and correct your mistake. Here it says the error in the value is missing, and you can find the error in this file, in the 0 file U, in the section, in the subdictionary boundary field, in the subdictionary moving on from line 25 to line 26, which is here. So that's it, and you solve the problem. Another issue is that remember, every time you are modifying a text file, every time you open a bracket, close bracket, if you open a parenthesis, close the parenthesis, then you are almost safe. sometimes if you forget something like that, let's check what happens. You can error like that, ill-defined primitive entry. It's mentioned that your parentheses or your bracket is not ended. It's also it shows the error. It is error happen in the keyword internal field in this file. So you need to be patient and read the error file. Another important thing is that you can, from the error line, you can learn lots of things. For example, you want to know which option do you have for the boundary conditions. You can write something rubbish, you can write something wrong, and in the error, OpenFOAM returns the available options. For example, here it says there is an error, the solver cannot find this boundary condition, and the available boundary condition are like that. So you need to use one of these boundary conditions. Okay, this is all what I want to say right now. Have a good day.